Well, Brian, you were looking for a way to occupy your Wednesday, and this is it. So there was just enough room to get a wrench to hold one of the bolts up through the bottom, and hopefully have enough working room to get a ratchet on top. Thankfully, I have the top nut put on with some sort of freaky washer I dug out of I don't know what. So that's snugged on there tight. So the important one's up there. But as for the one out here that you can't get to, that's on this side, way over there. Focus, you fuck! There you go. For that little guy, how am I gonna get a bolt up there? I mean, I already have the bolt. How am I gonna get a nut up there? Nut. All right, so how am I gonna figure that one out? Let's get this one on.